Namaste everyone, this is me Prabesh and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about a computer. हामीले यो भिडियोमा हेर्नेछौँ कि कम्प्युटर भनेको के हो अनि सानो हिस्टोरी अबाउट अ कम्प्युटर अनि यो कम्प्युटर चाहिँ कसरी चलन चल्तीमा आयो विश्वभरि चाहिँ कसरी चलन चल्तीमा आयो भन्ने कुरा हामीले हेर्नेछौँ अनि कहिलेबाट सुरु भयो भन्ने कुरा हामी सानो अ ब्रिफ हिस्टोरी अबाउट अ कम्प्युटर भन्ने कुरा हामीले जान्नेछौँ। त्यसैले अनि हामीले कम्प्युटरलाई कसरी सिम्पल वेमा कसरी हामीले चाहिँ युज गर्ने भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ हामीले यो भिडियोमा पनि हेर्नेछौँ। अनि कम्प्युटर भनेको चाहिँ के हो भन्दाखेरि वाट इज कम्प्युटर भन्दाखेरि अ कम्प्युटर इज अ मेसिन। इट इज जस्ट एन इलेक्ट्रोनिक डिभाइस द्याट टेक्स इनपुट प्रोसेस डाटा एन्ड गिभ्स आउटपुट। जसले चाहिँ इनपुट लिने काम गर्दछ अनि प्रोसेस डाटा भएपछि हामीलाई आउटपुट दिने काम गर्दछ। त्यसैले इट्स जस्ट अ मेसिन। यो चाहिँ हामीले दैनिक रूपमा प्रयोग गरिने मोबाइल फोनहरू रहेका छन्, एटिएम मेसिनहरू रहेका छन् अनि ट्याबहरू रहेका छन् अनि डेस्कटप कम्प्युटर्स, यी सबै चाहिँ के हो, ल्यापटपहरू सबै चाहिँ के हो, कम्प्युटर अन्तर्गत पर्दछ। त्यसैले हामीले कम्प्युटरलाई चलाउन चाहिँ हामी अफ्रेड मान्नु पर्दैन। मेनी पिपुल आर अफ्रेड अफ युजिङ कम्प्युटर्स। धेरै चाहिँ मानिसहरू चाहिँ कम्प्युटर चलाउनको लागि चाहिँ हिचकिचाउनु भएको हुन्छ। तर यो भिडियोमा हामीले हेऱ्यौँ भने चाहिँ एउटा सानो चाहिँ ब्रिफ इन्ट्रोडक्सन अबाउट द कम्प्युटर रहेको छ। अनि यो भिडियोमा हामीले हेऱ्यौँ भने चाहिँ कम्प्युटरलाई कसरी प्रयोग गर्ने अनि कसरी यो विकास भयो भन्ने कुरा हामीले चाहिँ जानकारी पाउनेछौँ। त्यसैले गाइस, वाच दिस भिडियो अन्टिल द एन्ड।
Hi, I'm Prabesh. Today we're diving into the amazing world of computers. It all started with massive machines, like the ENIAC in the 1940s, filling entire rooms. The invention of the transistor in 1947 was a game changer, making computers smaller and more powerful. This led to the microprocessor in the 1970s, putting a whole CPU on a single chip. This paved the way for personal computers, bringing computing into our homes and offices. From these humble beginnings, computers have evolved into the devices we use every day, and they continue to shape our future in incredible ways. Thanks for watching. Hi there. Let's take a 60-second journey through time and explore the incredible history of computers. Our story begins long before electricity, with tools like the abacus, one of the earliest known calculating devices. The first generation of electronic computers in the 1940s used thousands of vacuum tubes. They were enormous and filled entire rooms. The 1950s brought the transistor, replacing bulky vacuum tubes and making computers smaller, faster, and more reliable. Then came the integrated circuit, placing millions of transistors onto a tiny silicon chip, which led to the microprocessor. This innovation brought computers into our homes, with the 1970s and 80s seeing the birth of the personal computer era. Finally, the rise of the internet connected these machines globally, creating the digital world we know and use every single day.
Hi again. Ever wondered what a computer really is? Let's break it down. A computer is an electronic device that processes data. Think of it as a super fast calculator and filing system combined. First up is the CPU, or the brain of the computer. It does all the thinking and calculations. The monitor is the screen. It shows you everything you're working on. You use the keyboard to type and the mouse to click and navigate. These are your main tools to interact with the computer. So how do you use it? It's simple. You turn it on, use the mouse to open programs, and the keyboard to type. It's that easy to get started on your digital journey.